Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Advantmed India LLP. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Please like it. Let us see complete details in this video. This is open campus recruitment drive and position is medical coder fresher and interview location is Pune and reporting time is 9 AM. Campus recruitment drive dates are 9th August 2024 Friday, College Modern College of Pharmacy and address is 80 Post Yamuna Nagar near Bajaj Company Nigdi Pune, and 10th August 2024 Saturday, this address is Snigat College of Pharmacy opposite Navale Hospital Narhe Pune, and 11th August 2024 Sunday, and address is JSAPMS School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Pune Nagar Road, Vagoli, Pune. This is big opportunity for freshers. Please, anyone interested, you can apply. And coming to the education qualification, Dpharm, Bpharm, Mpharm, Bsc Msc Biotech, Biochemistry, Microbiology graduates apply to this position. CPC certified and non-certified both can apply, and scan to QR code and apply, and job location is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. If you have any query, please contact the HR details and send resume to mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.